I've finally updated my vegan chopped liver pate recipe. It's much easier and it's just as delicious. Starting off, you're going to want 2 medium-sized aubergines, 6 chestnut mushrooms, 2 medium onions, 100 grams of walnuts, 5 cloves of garlic thin sliced, 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, teaspoon of black or white pepper, and a whole lot of salt. What I'm going to do now is start off with the aubergines. I'm going to slice them to 1/2 inch slices, and I'm just going to sprinkle the salt all over them. I want them to bleed out as much as possible. Make sure you give them a good rub to ensure they're all coated. What I'm doing now is just frying the onions and the garlic, giving that a good stir until they go soft. Next, add in the walnuts. Then going in with the mushrooms, just until they're cooked and they're nice and soft. Scrape the bottom. If there's too much friction there, just add a bit more oil, it's fine. Next, I'm going in with the paprika, and I'm giving that a good stir until it's nice and ready, as you can see here. I'm going to set that aside. Now back to the eggplants. As you can see, it's bled out quite a bit. The longer you leave it, the more juices will flow. Now the reason we do this is because aubergines love oil. And instead of me using 6 litres of oil just for this, what's going to happen is because they've bled out, they're not going to absorb as much. Now I'm going to fry those until they're brown on both sides. No need to rush, this takes quite a few minutes on each side anyway. As you can see, they're now ready, and I'm just going to blend everything up together. Meanwhile, I want to give a massive shout out to Rabbi Zalman Lent and his lovely wife Rivki, who have opened up an incredible kosher deli in Dublin. They've got some amazing vegan options there. Probably the best falafel I've had in Dublin, I must say. Make sure you go and visit that, it's in Rathmines. I'll put their address in the description. If you happen to be traveling around Dublin and you want something really good to eat, go there. Now that's being blended. Make sure you scrape down the sides, get everything nice and creamy, and there you go, folks.
Beautiful people, I hope you're enjoying this video. If you like vegan recipes from all around the world, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more.
So these portions going in the fridge, it will last about a week or so, although I'll probably finish it in a day. Now serving it up, I'm just getting a bagel, vegan butter going on there, absolutely delish. Then once I've done the bagel, going in, smearing that on. All over the place. Absolutely lovely. Next, just in case I want some more, which I will, I'm going to sprinkle on some freshly chopped onions. These give an incredible texture and a lovely crunch, and just 10x this entire dish. Plus some pickles on the side, because it's got to be done. That's it, folks. Very simple, really nice. Also very accurate, in my opinion, to the taste. I remember when I was a kid, I used to eat this. Unfortunately, the real thing. But now we got a cruelty-free version. Yippee! Thanks for watching, folks. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. As always, please do leave a like, leave a comment if you did enjoy it. And of course, subscribe if you enjoy vegan recipes from all around the world. Ciao for now. Thanks again for watching. See you on the next one.